hardly any snow, and you're just coming down.
Yeah.
Accumulating on the highway, you can already see the lines. Oh, that guy's just gabbing her. Oh, careful.
You can't see anything.
I know, it's just like a blinding blizzard. It's amazing he's going that fast. What a nightmare.
My leg feels like it's on fire.
Oh man, this is unreal. Yeah, because you can almost not see where the lines are anymore.
Yeah.
Oh, no, you can't.
How's everyone else driving so fast?
I know, it's unreal. Look at that.
I can't even see anything.
I know.
How are they seeing?
I know, like they can't see anything, but look at that. You can't even see where you're going.
Because of their exhaust.
You could stop right there and you wouldn't even know it. Like it's just blinding.
Oh. And it's blowing this way. That's the problem.
That's how Moog got into an accident by Vegreville. He was driving in this kind of storm, and all of a sudden there was a snowplow, and he couldn't stop, and he drove right into the snowplow.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, he was just like this, blinding. You can't see too far ahead, eh? Unbelievable.
Oh, wow.
Hey, might as well go slow.